Please subscribe to our channel Techish. Press the bell icon and be notified about latest videos related to technology. Do you like to buy a smart TV, but budget is a constraint? Then watch this video till the end. We will tell you all the features, the process to buy and all the details in this video. The purchase procedure will be explained in the later part of this video. With the help of Make in India and Startup India, one of Indian IT company has launched world's cheapest Android-led TV. That too at the price tag of 4,999. You will get all the features which you are getting in high-end smart televisions. An Indian company called SAMY Informatics has introduced the TV at the price of 4,999 rupees, i.e. around $70. Company is providing Android operating system which comes in high-end smart TVs. This 32 inches smart TV will be manufactured in India. TV users would get a warranty of 1 year as well. It comes with a speaker of 10 watts and TV panel would be from the manufacturer of Samsung and LG. YouTube and Facebook would be pre-installed in this smart TV. Apart from this, you can install applications of your choice. 4 GB of RAM and storage space of 512 MB comes with this TV. 1 year warranty and on-site service will be provided by the manufacturer. You can buy this TV by downloading SAMY application from Google Play Store. First of all, you have to install SAMY app in your mobile phone. Then you have to provide INR card number, phone number, and email address. After providing the details, you will get an OTP number. You need to provide phone number, INR card number and OTP from the page and select the category as 4,999. After that you have to tap on Add to Cart. After seeing this, one question is coming into the mind: why they are asking for personal identity number? Please be informed that GST, handling charges, and shipping charges are extra. Shipping charge would be 2,000 and GST comes around 1,600 rupees. In total, a customer has to pay around 8,000 rupees or $112. Now it's up to you, whether you will buy this TV or will go for a reputed branded TV. As per the current update from the website, you can book the TV from their website semy.co.in. The delivery would be first come first serve basis. If you like this video, please like our channel Techish and stay tuned with latest updates related to technology.